In this video, we will review using the bulk upload tool to make updates to our catalog within Apply. First, we can either navigate to the catalog and select the three dots to begin the bulk upload update process, or we can proceed to Settings, click on Bulk Upload, and then the Update Existing tab. Here, we'll be presented with the option to export our catalog and download. If it's an extremely large file, it will be sent to your email. Once complete, we can open that file, choose to make the necessary changes, and proceed to go back to the screen at any point in time to then update the existing. Here, we'll have the chance to review any potential error corrections that need to be made or any duplication errors. In this case, there aren't any. We're simply making a few changes to some material names and pricing, and now those will all be reflected within our Apply catalog.